So hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So a wide nose tip can make the face feel heavy in photos, whether it's genetics or just the angle of the camera lens. So sometimes you want the nose to look up a little less visual space. While reshape pushes pixels, making the nose smaller is a slightly different process. It would involve compressing the wedge and adjusting the lens, so this is a very common request, and FaceApp handles it very well. How to do so is pretty easy, so that's why we made this small tutorial. You can easily use the SIM tool first. Navigate to the face reshape section, select the SIM function. Usually the slider affects the entire face, but run it at a very low range, around like 10 to 15%. So this gives a uniform reduction to the structure that you can build upon. Then you can manually liquefy the chip. Go back to reshape or liquefy tool, zoom in on the nose chip like this, then using a small brush size, push the very bottom of the nose upward slightly. So this would lift the chip and makes the nose appear shorter and more button-like. About the taper width, place one finger on the left side of the nostrils and one finger on the actual right side. Then pinch them together slightly. This makes the base of the nose narrower, which is the most effective way to make it look actually smaller. Then fix any distorted backgrounds. If you pinch the nose too hard, check the background behind the nose. Liquefy tools often wrap or basically walls or hair. If you see distortion, use reconstruct brush, a narrow circling back to point back to the original background without undoing your nose job. So that's your idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.